Hey YouTube, today I got 4 exciting new Platinum Arceus packs. I'm very sorry I haven't made a new video in a while. I'm very sorry, but so this is my apologize to you guys. I got 4 new packs of Platinum Arceus. Hopefully I got good pulls, so let's open them right now. I've seen everybody getting good luck recently. I want to see if I can get some of that good luck. Oh, these are really easy to open actually. Okay. Cool. Okay. Open these with 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Rest of the deck. Charmeleon, Haunter, Lucky Egg, Snorunt, Electrode, Wingull, Kabuto, Shinx, Silversaurus, Grovyle, there's Gengar. Okay. Decent packs. Okay. Arceus pack next. Shadow there. Decent pulls so far. I was hoping for a level extra, versatile Arceuses. I want those Arceuses the most, so hopefully I get them. Shogun, Hunter, Wormadam, Rattata, Baneri, Geodude, Ponyta, Wingull. Versus, ooh, nice, Manectric, where's Lopunny. Ooh, decent pulls, got 2 packs here. Please, I need a good pull. So far, not too good actually. I was hoping for a hollow rare. I really need some hollow rare. Sorry for that. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Let's do that. Haunter, Manectric, Energy Restore, Baneri, Beedrill, Wingull, Trico, Gorpig. What's how this Wingull wears? Ooh, Gravel. Not too good pulls, guys. Please, I'm hoping for a good pull in this last pack, man. Not too good of a kickoff so far for the new series. But I really need a good pull right here. I need something to fix this whole Shogun, Haunter, Wormadam, Bronzong, Bumpig, Trico, Cherub, Rattata. The rest how is oh nice! Arceus! Thank God! Thank God, this card is amazing. Thank God I got an Arceus. Speaking creature. Okay guys. I really need an Arceus. Thank God I got an Arceus. Not too good pulls, guys. Only good pull is this amazing Arceus. Not for trade. Don't even ask me. Thank you. This is my video. So I haven't made a new video in a while. Please, I'll be making some new Arceus videos next week, so check them out. That's my video. Please subscribe, rate, comment. That's my video. Thank you and bye.